Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to bioscan the Houndgar in Subnautica 2. Bioscanning the Houndgar, together with the toxic sponge, unlocks the Chum Cloud active biomod, which lets you release a cloud of bait to distract nearby predators. Before heading out, make sure you have a bioscanner. You'll also need the heat tolerance adaptation, since the Houndgar is found in the high temperature zone. Starting from your life pod, swim at a heading of 105 degrees on your compass and continue straight. Once you reach the hot zone, pass beneath this large arching rock formation. Before long, you'll spot a large predatory creature called the Marrow Breach. Swimming around it is a group of Houndgars, which are the smaller fish with the pointed bodies. The Houndgars will usually become aggressive when you get close, so quickly pull out your bioscanner and scan one before moving away. Try to avoid getting too close to the Marrow Breach while doing so. After completing the scan, return to your base and interact with your biolab to view or equip your newly unlocked Chum Cloud biomod. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.